I'm going to create the first output, and as you already understand from the name, output, it is what Terraform will output to use later. Let's create it. So in the free locals folder, I'm going to reuse my project in the EU North 1 region. Here I create the file with the name outputs.tf. Yes, I want to add the file to Git. And here in this file, I will create my first output, which is output. In double quotes, I write main VPC seeder. Let's do this split. So I am going to output the seeder block of my main VPC. To do it, I need to open the documentation and find the information about AWS VPC, copy this string, open HashiCorp documentation, and here you must search for AWS VPC. There are a lot of them. In the resources, I find AWS VPC. Scroll to the very bottom because there is the information about the outputs. And this section, attribute reference, it is the list of outputs from the resource. But also I can see in the outputs the value which worked as an input. For example, in our case, seeder block, this part, this one was an input, but it is also an output. So in the value in the output, I write my resource type AWS VPC, passed it, dot main, so it is this main, and now dot, copy the variable name seeder block, passed here, and it will be the value which will be the output. Also, I will write a description, which is the seeder block of main VPC. I will also show you a big documentation which you can read after the tutorial. I will put a link in the description. And here is the information about how output values work. Today I will discuss and show you how the precondition works, description works, and sensitivity works. I will not touch ephemeral and depends on.